Hi friends, welcome to today's vlog. I know it has been a hot minute since I have been on YouTube, but that's because life is just crazy. So for all of you who have stuck around and are still here and are still supporting me, thank you so much. I appreciate you a ton. I still love creating videos. I still love just recording my life because these are awesome memories to have. So today is a perfect day to pick up the camera because Alex just left for school. And today, oh, and pardon my hair. This is like, it's just what's happening. But today is this sweet baby's birthday. She is 3 years old. And I can't even believe it. I can't even believe it. Oh, goodness. We got her when she was like 5 months old, I believe. So she's 3 now. So what we're going to do today is we are going to, when I say we, I mean me, Leia, and Athena. We're going to go to PetSmart and look for a little toy for Athena, like one of those like puzzle toys for dogs. See if we can find something like that, and then we're gonna go to Starbucks and get puppuccinos, and then we're gonna come home and I'm gonna make a birthday cake for I'm going to make a dog birthday cake. I found a really cool recipe online for that, so I'm gonna make that. And I need to like do some laundry and stuff, but I thought I would take you guys with me. So let's go. Stay. What is that? Okay. Leia, stay. Leave it. Athena's drooling. Let's stay. Go. Good girls. Why am I doing this on the carpet? It's a mom fail. Why did I do this on the carpet? I'm so stupid. Oh well. It just made sense in the moment, I guess. Leia's got it. Don't worry, guys. Ew, this is disgusting. How did that happen? There's still some in there. There's still so much in there. There's so much in there. Okay. Okay, so of course I want to show you guys what I got from PetSmart. So I got this puzzle for like treats. Huskies especially need mind game type of things. So we already use the Kongs and stuffed treats in there. If you guys don't know what those are, they're these really, Kong is the brand, but Kong makes these big rubber things and they're really super, super durable. The black ones are my favorite. But you can stuff treats, peanut butter, whatever else in there, and then it takes them a hot minute to get it out and it keeps them busy for a while. Leia, though, can get a treat out of this thing in literally 5 minutes. She can probably get a treat out of the red ones in like 1 minute. See, she's done quite a bit of destruction. So, yes. What am I saying? Oh, so I kind of wanted something else for Athena, something a little bit more complex for her to figure out. So I found this puzzle, and I know I've seen like a lot of the like treat balls and things like that, like where it spins around and then treats will fall out. But I feel like those things, like the openings, number one, are like really big, and I just feel like it would be too easy for her. And then some of them were like this really flimsy rubber, which she could chew through instantly. So I'm going to try this. I've heard that this is really difficult, and actually I saw a lot of people actually sit down and do it with their dog because it's really difficult. So I thought that would be fun. So I'm gonna try it out. I believe it was like $20, like something ridiculously a little bit expensive. It was $21.99. But if it's worth it, and if it, you know, helps her mind, if it helps feed her need to figure out complex things, then it's absolutely worth it. So I got that. And then I got this really cute bandana. It is so freaking cute. They also had, I don't know if they had a boy bandana, but they did have a boy version of this little hat. I am so excited. This is like ridiculous, but these are definitely things that we can keep for Athena's birthday as well. I don't know, my hand looks so red. It looks gross. But anyways, we can keep these for the girls' birthdays for forever. So I thought that this was just so sweet. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on Leia and then try to get this thing set up for Athena. Nope. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. No, stay there. Good girl, honey. No, you stay. So cute. I cannot wait to show Alex. And I'm going to call my sister-in-law because she's going to freak out and probably get emotional because she just loves her Leia. You say Auntie Katie? You want to show Auntie Katie? Yeah, we're going to call Auntie Katie. I am like cracking up. Leia, look at me. Hi, honey. She's being such a good girl. Oh my goodness. Can't wait to show Alex. I'm gonna get started on Leia's cake. And this is the recipe that I'm using. It's by lovefromtheoven.com. And I am going to try to make this. It's probably not going to look as pretty as this. I only have gluten-free flour, so I'm going to Google to make sure that's okay for dogs to have. I don't have Greek yogurt, so I'm just going to have to use peanut butter as the frosting. So we shall see how this goes. oven is almost preheated. It's at like 335 right now. And this was really, really, really thick and difficult to spread out. I have no idea if that's how the consistency is supposed to be. I'll probably go into the recipe and look at the notes and see like if it mentions anything about that. But I got it all spread around and we will see how this goes.
Oh, happy birthday, sweetheart. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. My heart. Oh my goodness, so much happy. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is the most precious thing ever.
Show Daddy your bandana.
Happy birthday. Are you recording right now? Well, let me show you what I got.
Okay. What'd you get?
Chobani,
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
non-fat plain Greek yogurt,
Okay. Thank you.
and something to match her little outfit.
Oh, cute. So sweet. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Athena, don't chew on that. That's not a toy. Thank you.
What is that?
She wanted to chew on the pom-pom. Birthday
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leia. Happy birthday to you.
Look at this yummy cake.
Good job.
Look at this yummy cake. Look.
Oh, she likes it. Oh, she's digging it.
I want to watch.
That's so good. She's only looking off the frosting.
Should we
Yeah, let's cut it.
cut it and put it into bowls?
Yeah.
Oh, that's yummy cake.
You could tell she didn't want to because she's not supposed to eat stuff off the counter. She was like, here, I'll put the bowls.
Gonna watch them eat all their yummy cake. Isn't that right, Mom?
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
We're only giving them a slice.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there.
They can have birthday cake for the next little bit.
Yeah.
They can have dessert too.
Alright. Alright, girls.
Oh, happy birthday, Leia.
I wonder if she even...
Oh, she's starting to chew on it now. Oh, she's just munching it down.
Gosh, alien. She had that whole thing. The whole thing was in her mouth. There we go.
Athena's still being very hesitant.
Athena's literally licking off the icing first.
Oh, Dina's taking her time. She's like, oh yeah.
And Leia's already done.
Leia's done.
Oh, nuts, man.
Athena's just taking her time. Oh, funny.
Good girl.
I got them puppuccinos today from Starbucks.
They've basically had a whole birthday bash.
Huh?
Is that all?
Oh no, there's
So, you just saw Leia eat her birthday cake right now, and she is just loving her birthday. She's looking super cute with her little bandana and her little hat, and it's a good birthday. It's a good birthday.
We are ending our night with some wine and ice cream. This is Alex's first time trying this, and he is in love with it. I'm actually shocked that he likes it because usually he doesn't like stuff that's like that sweet.
Oh, it's so much, but it's so good.
And then I love this ice cream. This brand in general, So Delicious, is amazing. They have a lot of dairy-free and obviously gluten-free things. as well. Actually, all of their stuff is dairy-free, I'm sorry, but I'm not sure if everything is gluten-free also, but I do know that it's all dairy-free. Anywho, my favorite ice cream before I was diagnosed with celiac disease was cookie dough, and I have not had it in a very, very, very long time. So I found this, and it truly is so delicious. So this is how we are ending our night.
One thing that we did want to say is we tried the hot tub. It was so cold.
Did you tell them about the hot tub?
I don't know. So we had a plan for the past couple nights to have a hot tub date, and finally we decided that it was going to be a good night to do it, and so we tried it, and it was so cold.
It was cold. I mean, there was steam coming off, but I think it was just the heat like releasing.
Yeah.
From the hot tub.
It was very not warm.
No. So we got out of there.
But it's okay, because we're ending it with ice cream and wine. Right there. Ice cream and wine. And happy birthday to Leia.
Happy birthday to Leia. So, I don't know if I'll see you guys tomorrow or not, but...
And one thing that we are going to do relatively soon is just kind of do a general update vlog.
Because obviously we've been gone for a minute.
Lots of things have been going on, and we've been really busy, so we'd like to update you guys on everything that's been going on in our lives.
So stay tuned for an update video.
And many more fun videos in the next many years.
And if you guys actually... So I want to know. I'm almost at 400 subscribers, by the way.
Almost at 400?
Yeah.
What?
I'm at 377. I want to know if you guys want me to do like a question and answer video. I'm not sure how many of you guys follow me on Instagram, but I will go ahead and link my Instagram, or not link my Instagram, but I'll put my Instagram name right here. So if you're not following me, go follow me. But if you want to do like a question and answer, maybe for the updates video, I give this video 10 likes, and then if I get 10 likes, I will post a Q&A thing on my Instagram stories, and then you guys can ask me questions there. But if not, I'll just do a regular updates video. So anywho, I will see you guys tomorrow.